It's not a babysitter or study buddy. It's body doubling. Ever notice that silent co-working makes it easier to do those challenging tasks? That's the science of body doubling at work. Body doubling, the process of having another individual around working at the same time as you, has a lot of science behind it, and it's like two people slingshotting each other forward on their tasks. Studies show that the social presence sparks accountability in the brain, lowers the task start threshold through mirror neurons, encouraging subconscious work and focus, and encourages a sense of safety and security, also known as co-regulation. So, next time you're struggling to get started or are feeling overwhelmed, try asking a friend to sit silently nearby and set a timer. You'd be surprised the results that will come almost second nature. Learn something helpful? Join the ADHD iOS community.